Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off, power down, shut down your iPhone 17 Pro or any iPhone on the latest iOS version. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a few different ways to do it. First way is using the buttons. So what you can do is take the volume up button right in between the action button and the volume down button, and then this big side button. At the same time, you're going to press and hold for a few seconds until this menu pops up where you can slide to power off. That's going to be method number one. Method number two, it's going to be pulling the top menu down, and you'll see a power icon on the top right corner. Simply press on it, and then the same menu will pop up and you can slide to turn off or shut down. Another method is simply going to your setting and then general, and scrolling all the way down to shut down, and then we can slide to shut down or power off. So those are three ways, and additionally you can also, if you have Siri turned on, tell Siri, hey Siri, turn off my iPhone, and it will say, do you want to turn off your iPhone? Confirm, and you'll say yes, and you can turn it back on. And you might be wondering, how do I turn it back on or power it back on? Two different ways you can do it. You can long press and hold this side button until you see the Apple logo. And if that isn't working, just simply connect it to a charger. The phone is by design will power on when it recognizes it's turned off and it's being connected to power as well. So those are different ways to power off, turn off, or shut down your iPhone 17 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.